Let's start the game, everyone. You ready? You steady? Wow. I'm gonna win the TV point. Which account would you like, Monkey? The blue one or the green one? I wanted the green. I wanted the green. I wanted the green. No, Monkey, you got the blue. I want the green. Okay, Monkey. I can have the green one. Who is that, Monkey? Be careful, Monkey. Get your legs all over the place. Who is that? Me or you, Monkey? I'm gonna have the blue. Okay, I start, Monkey. Oh, they go and count. Your turn, Monkey. Oh, I'm gonna put it. Oh, didn't go, Monkey. Try again. Oh, it's gone. Let's try again. It's my turn, Monkey. I don't want you to cheat, Monkey. It's my turn now. I'm the blue one. Monkey's turn. Don't cheat, Monkey. Oh, that's funny. It's a funny game. Very fun. Let's try again, Monkey. It's my turn. Monkey turn. Careful, Monkey. Careful, Monkey. Oh, you're cheating, Monkey. Try again, Monkey. This is not a good one. You cheat. Oh. Try again, Monkey. I'll help you, Monkey. You're not in the mood today. I'll help you. Never mind. Let me go with the blue one. Monkey turn. Try again, Monkey. I think you do well. Ooh, you done well, Monkey. Well done. Yeah, done well. I'm gonna. Oops. You can go this one. The blue one, Monkey. Let's put some counting here, Monkey. Just to help you going. I'll put the black one there. I mean, I'm cheating, Monkey. Just help you out, alright? I'm being very good for you, Monkey. Oh, put some black accounts there as well. Gray one. Because we don't need the gray. Oh, Monkey, look at this. Now it's easy for you to win, isn't it, Monkey? Oh, yes. Look at this. It's your turn now. Look at how you win, Monkey. You win. 2 counts. Hooray, I'm happy. Now it's my turn, Monkey. Ooh, now it's Monkey's turn. The green one is Monkey. The blue one is mine. Ooh. Green one is mine. I think this is not doing well, Monkey. We need to fix this. They're having problem in here in this town. Let's try again, Monkey. It's your turn. Ooh. Oh. You're cheating! Oh my God, you're cheating all the time! It's my turn now! Oh. Okay, Monkey, I help you out. Sorry. Oh. It's not moving! Why is it stuck all over the place? see, Monkey, what can I do? My one's blue, ain't it, Monkey? Oh, Monkey. Oh, Monkey gonna win now, Monkey. I'm gonna win, Monkey. Yee, Monkey, it's your turn now. Oh, it's your Monkey. Oh, got to start in there. I'm very upset. I can't win today. Oh, never mind. We'll try next time, Monkey. Don't worry about it. Okay? Okay, everyone. We try. There's no working today. Mike is a bit moody because he win just 2 counts. But never mind. We play next time. Alright, Monkey? Yes. Thank you, everyone, for watching the video. Don't forget to leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye. Have a good day. Bye.